Hello, all my dear viewers. Very warm welcome in my YouTube channel English Junction by JJ. Today I am going to explain you class 6th poem Lucy. Question and answer from your book English Junction Orient publication Orient Black Swan. So, let's start the first question. This is a poem, Lucy poem, question and answers. Theme is people, and first question is from A. Answer this question. First question is, how does the speaker describe Lucy's life in first stanza? So the answer for this question is, in the first stanza, the poet describes Lucy's life as a very quiet and lonely one, as she lived in a place where few people lived and was admired and loved by very few peoples. This is the answer for this question. So the next question is, does the speaker see Lucy as someone special? What are the two comparisons the speaker uses in the stanza 2? Do you think the comparison is appropriate? So the answer for this question is yes. The speaker does see Lucy as someone special. We know this because he says that her death would make a great difference to him. In stanza 2, the poet compares her to a violet flower and a fair star. The comparison is appropriate because the violet flower beside a mossy stone is often hidden by the stone and remains unnoticed. The fair stars also cannot be noticed when all the other stars are shining in the sky, but can be seen and appreciated when it is the only one in the sky. The poet has said that Lucy was a woman whom few people knew and appreciated. This is the answer for this question. So the next question is, what happened when Lucy died? Did people know about her death? How was the speaker affected by her death? The answer for this question is, when Lucy died, few people came to know of her death, but the poet was greatly affected. He was a grief-stricken at her death. So the next question is, do you think the poem has made Lucy immortal? Give reason for your answers. So the answer is yes. The poem has made Lucy immortal, as she will now live forever. Through the poem, very few people may have known or loved her when she was alive. But now thousands of people will read about her, know about her, and in appreciating the poem will appreciate her better. So the next question is, instead of saying died, the poet uses the phrase cease to be. Does the phrase have a greater impact? Discuss and explain your thought in class. So here discussion is not possible because coronavirus online classes is going on. So I just write in this answer for myself. If you interested children, you can also write and show me. So the answer for this question is, the phrase cease to be does have a greater impact than died, as it is a more beautiful and a poetic phrase. It expressed that Lucy had been someone special to the poet, and now her presence was no more. This is the answer for this question. So the next question is, and this question is from a B context, think and answer. Okay. The next question and the last question, this is from a C context, and it is from find the modern word for the following. So here dwell modern word should be lived, and second one is untrodden. Untrodden means unused. Okay, the modern word is unused. So children, this is the answers for your Lucy poem that you are asking me from a past so many days, but I'm not getting a time. So finally I'll make the video on a question answer. Now your work is started. Start your work, complete your question answers in your notebook and then show me. So children, thank you for watching my video. If you understand the explanation of my video, please like, subscribe, share and do comment in a comment box. And if you want the explanation of further chapters from this book English Junction, you can just touch the I button mentioned in a right top corner. You will get the further explanation of further chapters explanation from this book English Junction, publication Orient Blackstone. Okay, thank you once again. Hope you all are well. Bye, take care.